fastest growing economy amongst all global nations, amongst all other countries.
बहुत तेज गति से बढ़ने वाली इकोनॉमी है.
A fast moving economy.
एक
One of the fastest moving economies. There are some rating agencies that try to study which are the countries where there is less corruption and where the level of corruption is going down.
हमारे सर पे लिखी हुई है.
We know what's there in our faith, and we know what's there well ingrained in our country. Corruption that has been eroding our country. But don't we have something to protect ourselves from corruption? Don't we have a medicine against corruption? Shouldn't we be accountable to our people for every penny that we spend?
किसी के घर भरने के लिए जनता का धन होता है क्या?
Is the property of people something that should remain in the pockets of few people?
Transparency International नाम की institution.
For example, the institution called Transparency International, they have been able to raise India's ranking by 10 points, and which thereby acknowledging that we have been able to improve our status as far as corruption is concerned. For the first time, we are above China, which has never been the case in the past.
Ease of doing business.
Look at the ease of doing business. In that ranking too, we used to be right at the bottom of the scale. We took some steps, we took some decisions, and today we are moving upwards, and very soon its fruits will be evident for all to see. What I'd like to say is that we want to build a modern India, whether it is clean India or a skilled India or a digital India.
इन सभी क्षेत्रों में
in all these fields,
हम कार्य को नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले
we want to take our country
प्रयास कर रहे हैं.
to
लेकिन मेरे देशवासियों
forward to reach new levels.
हम ये गलती कभी ना करें.
We shouldn't ever make the mistake, my fellow citizens,
बस वही
to believe only what we see on television screens. Don't ever make that mistake of believing only what you see on the television screens.
अखबार की हेडलाइन में जो है,
whatever you may read
हिंदुस्तान है,
in the headlines of newspapers does not only represent India. India is much bigger than that. It's much more vast.
के पर्दे के बाहर भी
There is a
125 करोड़ देश
world of 1.25 billion people that is much beyond the television screens.
बहुत ही उत्तम हिंदुस्तान है. और इसलिए
And that is why
न कभी आपने पढ़ा होगा, न
you may
कभी
not have read before, you may not have heard this before.
भाइयों बहनों,
Dear fellow citizens,
राजस्थान में अलवर करके एक जगह है.
there is a place called Alwar in Rajasthan,
इमरान खान नाम का एक व्यक्ति है.
and there is a person called Imran Khan who lives
ये
in
इमरान
this city.
शिक्षा के लिए
Who is this Imran Khan? He is a person who is devoted to education.
का इमरान खान
This Imran Khan from a small city called Alwar
50 एप्स बनाई.
has developed 50 apps for mobile phones.
विद्यार्थियों को काम आए
And
ऐसी शिक्षा के संबंधी उसने
and
ऐप
those
बनाई.
apps are education related for the students.
बनाई इतना नहीं,
And not only that,
अलवर के इमरान खान ने
Imran Khan from Alwar
बनाई हुई
has also
शिक्षा में स्टूडेंट को काम आने वाली ये 50 ऐप उसने विद्यार्थियों के नाम
has
मुफ्त में समर्पित कर
in
दी।
fact dedicated these 50 apps to students free of cost.
मेरा हिंदुस्तान
My country
वो अलवर के इमरान खान में मेरा हिंदुस्तान है।
lives in people like Imran Khan.
भाइयों बहनों,
Dear fellow citizens, dear friends,
कुछ समय पहले हरियाणा
some
जहाँ
time
हमारे
back,
यहाँ बेटा और बेटी
the
के
state
रिश्ते में
of
बहुत बड़ा अंतर है।
Haryana, where
मैंने
there
अभियान
was
चलाया वहाँ,
a massive gender
बेटी बचाओ
gap,
बेटी पढ़ाओ।
I started a
शुरुआत में
campaign
हरियाणा
called Protect Your Daughters, Teach Your Daughters. And what has been the impact of this campaign?
सरपंच ने
Is a Sarpanch,
Selfie with
a
daughter.
village leader from a small village,
ऐसा एक प्रयोग किया।
has started
मेरे ध्यान में आया,
developing a
मैंने उसकी भी तारीफ
selfie
की
of daughters.
और मैं
I
हैरान था।
praised him and I was surprised
सारी
to note
दुनिया में
that across the
हर
whole
किसी
world
के मोबाइल का इंटरेस्ट बन गया था।
this became a
Selfie
source
with
of
daughter.
interest for everyone, is selfie with their daughter.
एक जन आंदोलन खड़ा हो गया।
This created a,
दुनिया के बड़े-बड़े
Movement.
राजनेता हो,
whether they were world
शिक्षा
leaders,
जगत के वरिष्ठ लोग हो,
whether they are
आर्थिक जगत के वरिष्ठ
whether
लोग
they
हो,
are well-to-do people
हर
in the
किसी
world,
ने
whether they are
अपनी
industrialists,
बेटी के साथ सेल्फी
everybody
निकाल करके
wanted to have a
मोबाइल फोन
selfie
पर
with their daughter
माँ
and
बेटियों
put
का
it on
गौरव
their
बढ़ाने
cell
का
phones.
एक अभियान चल पड़ा।
And thus there was a campaign
ये है
to
मेरा हिंदुस्तान।
improve the status of women in this world. That is my country, India.
ऐसे लाखों लोग हैं
There are hundreds and
जो
thousands of
आदिवासियों
people
के
in
बीच
this
जाकर के
country who go and live amongst
वहाँ के कठिनाई
Adivasis,
को भी
among
जी करके
tribals,
कोई शिक्षा में लगा है,
work towards
कोई लोगों को
educating
हेल्थ की
them,
चिंता कर रहा है,
towards providing them with
कोई
health
लोगों के
services,
संस्कार की चिंता कर रहा है।
towards improving
दूर
their
सुदूर गांव
living.
में
In these
ऐसे अनेक
remote
तपस्वी लोग
villages,
बैठे हैं
there are hundreds of
जो जीवन में
people
समाज सेवा का व्रत लेकर के काम कर रहे हैं।
who have pledged to
भाइयों बहनों,
do social service.
ऐसे कोटि कोटि जनों की तपस्या,
It
ऐसे
is
कोटि
the
कोटि जनों का
service provided
समाचार,
by all these people
यही तो है
that is
जिसके भरोसे मैं कहता हूँ हिंदुस्तान
That
बहुत
is what
आगे
has
बढ़ने वाला है।
allowed me to say that India is going to move forward
हिंदुस्तान दुनिया में
and that India
विकास की नई ऊंचाइयों को पार करने वाला।
will reach the heights of development.
भाइयों बहनों,
Dear
मैं
friends,
आज जब लंदन में आया हूँ,
today
इतनी
here
सारी
in
मात्रा
London,
में हमारे प्रवासी भारतीय भाई बहन बैठे हैं।
I have this opportunity of meeting all you people
मैं कुछ
of
बातें
Indian origin.
आपको बताना चाहता हूँ।
I would like to share some things with you.
OCI
You all know about OCI.
OCI के कारण कुछ समस्या है, ऐसा मेरी बातें मेरे ध्यान में आई
Overseas
है।
citizens of India, I know there are issues related to this system of OCI. We are going to simplify it further and you will no longer have to face the difficulties you've been facing with regard to OCIs.
उसी प्रकार से
Similarly,
OCI और PIO
We are going
उसको
to
मर्जर कर दिया,
merge OCI and PIO,
लेकिन कुछ लोगों को
persons of
उसमें
Indian
दिक्कत आ रही
origin.
है।
But there are some people who are still
मैंने
facing
उसके लिए आदेश
difficulties
कर दिए हैं,
and have given
इसको भी
directions
सरल कर दिया
to
गया है।
further simplify
यदि
this
आपकी कोई
process.
कठिनाइयां
But if
होगी,
you still face any
तो उसको address करने
difficulties,
की व्यवस्था बन चुकी है।
I have set up a system to address those difficulties as well.
वीजा का प्रॉब्लम रहता था,
As far as visas are concerned, I know
अब
some of you
उसको
face difficulties.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रैवल ऑथराइजेशन कर दिया गया
Now
है।
I have set up a system of
उसके
electronic
कारण
travel authorization, which
आपको उस दिक्कत से भी मुक्ति दिलाएगी।
also will free you from these difficulties. The Indian
मदद
government
नाम का एक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया
has
है।
also set up a online
MADAD,
platform called Madad,
Madad.
M-A-D-A-D, Madad,
उस ऑनलाइन
which in Hindi
प्लेटफॉर्म
means
पर जाकर
help.
के
And if you go to that
आप
online
अपनी
platform,
आवश्यक चीजें प्राप्त कर सकते
you
हैं।
will be able to find
वीजा की प्रॉब्लम
information
हो,
that
और
you
कोई
need.
OCI का प्रॉब्लम हो,
If you
PIO
have
का
any
प्रॉब्लम
difficulties
हो,
with regard to
उसके लिए
the
आपसे
visas or OCI or PIO, you will be able to share those your grievances over there, and you will be able to also look for solutions to your difficulties.
एक e-माइग्रेशन पोर्टल बनाया गया।
We have also established an e-migration portal
एक स्थान पर से दूसरे स्थान पर जाने वाले व्यक्ति को
that will help those who want to go from one place to another to get all the fundamental information that they require.
भी आपको उपलब्ध
So
हो जाएगी।
whenever you want to migrate and you need some basic information, you will be able to go to that portal and receive that. We have also created an Indian community fund. People living across the world sometimes have to face difficulties. This Indian Community Welfare Fund, which has been recently established, will be placed at their disposal to help those people who are facing difficulties wherever they might be.
और जब मैं गुजरात में मुख्यमंत्री था,
And when I was the Chief Minister of Gujarat,
तो लंदन से जो भी लोग मिलने आते थे,
and whosoever came to meet me from
मेरा गला
London
पकड़ते थे।
would catch me by my throat.
हमारे मित्र सीबी पटेल आते थे,
Our friend C.B. Patel would used to come. He would be the leader of a delegation,
और मैं कहता था
and I would tell him,
कि अब मैं तो गुजरात का मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
I'm just the Chief Minister of Gujarat.
प्रधानमंत्री बन गया।
What can I do for you? I can't really do much for you. But today, I am the Prime Minister of
ये
India,
मुझे कह रहे हैं कि मोदी जी
and today they
बताओ,
are telling me,
अब तो मुख्यमंत्री नहीं हो
now you are not just the Chief Minister. What will you do for us?
तो आज मैं लंदन की धरती पर आया हूँ।
So today, on the soil of London,
2003 में आया था।
the last time I came here was in 2003, and at that time,
लंदन अहमदाबाद के बीच में डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट,
I had inaugurated a direct flight between London and Ahmedabad.
तब अटल जी की सरकार थी।
It was in the time of
यहाँ के लोगों ने मुझे जो
Atal Bihari
कहा,
Vajpayee's government, and I conveyed this message to them. And I conveyed this message to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and he was able to fulfill your wishes. You know what happened after that.
कैसे हुआ मैं बताना नहीं चाहता,
And I don't want to tell you how and what happened.
मुझे भी मालूम नहीं।
Even I don't know myself.
किसने किया,
Who did this?
अब नाम देने की जरूरत क्या है?
I don't want to give names or mention names over here.
लेकिन मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों,
Nonetheless, my dear
15
friends,
दिसंबर से
from 15th of December,
क्या
what will happen on 15th December?
मैंने अभी कुछ बताया तो
I haven't yet said anything.
मैं तो ये भी कह सकता हूँ कि 15 दिसंबर से मैं मीटिंग शुरू करूंगा।
Perhaps I'm going to have a meeting from 15th of December onwards.
तो मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों,
So my dear fellow citizens, from 15th of December this year,
डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट
there will be a direct flight between London and Ahmedabad.
Man.